Hello everybody, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reversible dog bandana. I'm making this reversible bandana. One side would be Christmas and the other side would be Halloween. So I just reverse it. But it's up to you. If you want to do it that way, that's fine. You can just do both sides Christmas or both sides Halloween. But today, for this video, I'm going to show you how to do different occasion reversible bandana. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take your dog's collar, and that would be your guide when you cut the fabric. So over here I was measuring that's roughly 6.5. Let's do 6.5 here and then 6.5 on the other side. And then you just cut a triangle. Now if you're going to use both design, not reversible, you can just cut a square like that. But since we're doing reversible, so we're going to have to cut a triangle on each side. Okay, that way. So we're going to cut this one. Now you have this triangle. You use same fabric as a template for the other side. So you have this cute little Halloween fabric. So when you put the fabric in there, make sure it's the right side facing each other. The right side of the one fabric is facing the right side on the other fabric, and then you just cut and follow the fabric. So now you have a triangle. Next thing you want to do is just to cut just a little bit on the tip on that one side. So it won't be too pointy. See right there? And so now what we're going to do is sew this part here. Okay? So now we sewn together these two fabric, and next thing you want to do is fold the end right like here, like this one here. Fold this one end here, and you want to iron this part, iron this part, iron this part, and then when you flip this fabric over, you also want to iron this part here. Okay, so I'm going to iron this and I'll be right back. So now I already ironed this corner here, see right there, and then I did another corner here, and then I also ironed the whole fabric right there, both sides. So right there. What I noticed though, this is another tip, it's a mistake when you cut your fabric, make sure you're cutting it right side. I made a mistake of cutting it, so now it's kind of like crooked, but I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this one because this is just an illustration, but I'm gonna make another one with the correct orientation. Yeah, it should have been like that when I cut it, but that's okay. This is just an example. So what we're going to do now is sew the sides, okay? The next thing you want to do is flip the fabric and then sew the sides. Sew the sides here, but you don't want to sew all the way over here. Just do this side. You want to leave this opening. That's where the color's gonna go. Well, make sure that you have the opening is big enough so that this can go in. So then you're gonna have, you want to cut this the tip just a little bit, just the tip on there. So see right there, you just make a little snip in there, and then you turn it the other side. See, pointy if you snipped a little bit of the fabric. And then so now what we're gonna do is go to the iron board and iron our fabric. So after you iron your little bandana, what you're gonna do is to stitch this part here, okay? You just do a running stitch from this corner to this corner. So now that we stitched it, we're going to see, we'll put this on here. So there you go. So one side is the Christmas bandana, and then the other side is the Halloween bandana. Okay, so let's try it on Hank. So there you have it. See how good it looks on Hank? He is ready for Christmas. If this is your first time to watch this video, I highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get updates on all the videos that I have of Hank and all other pet accessories. Thank you and daghang salamat. Bye!